Hello everyone, this is Nabendu from the Team Red. Our team leader is Soumya and the concept of the video is done by Shagupta. Me and Omisalat has implemented the concept in this video. In this short video, we will discuss about the sterilization of cupping instruments. The steps we follow sterilizing plastic cups, rubber cups and bamboo cups are soak, rinse and dry. For the glass cups and other instruments, we mainly use spirits to clean and dry it with a towel. Don't forget to sterilize the suction device, the mobile, the gua sha, the fork, the oil bottle or pen, and lastly your kit for storing all the necessary materials. Also, don't forget to wear apron, gloves and the mask. This makes the process very safe and secure. Thank you so much.